Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So we're going to jump straight into it, and in today's video I'll be using Candy Coats paint pots. As you can see, I've got 3 pots here. 2 of them I've already had for quite a while, so the black and the white, because obviously they are good colours to have all the time. So they are my older ones, and the blue one in the middle is the new one. So I'm going to do swatch 1 with the black. As you can see, the black in the paint pot is not that pigmented. It will need a few more coats. So I'm going to go onto my white. I've only used the white for nail art, so I haven't used it as a block colour before. So this was the first time me using it as a block colour, and I was very surprised. You can see me in a minute here putting my hand at the back to see if it's like, if you can see my hand at the back, and you couldn't. It was so pigmented, I loved it. And this blue, I had to mix it because obviously it was brand new and the oils were sitting on the top, so I just mixed it up and started to apply. And obviously again, it's not that pigmented. Okay, so I'm going to do on swatch number 2 with the turquoise, the blue. And to be honest, the white didn't need a second coat. I was happy with one, but I wanted to keep them equal. And for the rest of the video, I'm just going to speed it up so you can enjoy the video and see the outcome. So that is all for this video, guys. I hope you like the finished results, and yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.